Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Drone Official, and in this episode what I'm going to be showing you is how to install Better Discord. Now if you don't know what Better Discord is a way of making and changing the appearance of Discord. So instead of having a plain black and white background, you can have cool pictures, cool themes, plugins, and much more. So, to show you what I'm talking about, I'm going to show you what Discord looks like without Better Discord. So this is what Discord looks like without Better Discord. It's plain. You have the sort of black and grey color theme. You can also change it to the light theme, which makes it white and black. This is the stock look. This is how your Discord could look. Now I'm going to show you guys how to install Better Discord, install some themes, and maybe some plugins as well, and let's get straight into it. What you want to do is you want to go to your preferred browser. So I am on Google Chrome, and I'm going to look up Better Discord. Okay, so once I've looked up Better Discord, link in the description below for this link here, but I prefer you guys look it up yourself just so you're less prone to viruses. Click on the first one that comes up and you will get a checking your browser before you enter Better Discord. You may need to do a captcha before entering the website, and the captcha might entail identifying all the pictures with cars or trains or buses in them. And that's just a Cloudflare human verification sort of process. But if you don't, and it just checks it and it sends you straight to Better Discord, this is what you could find on the website. Now, at the time of recording this video, this is what it looks like. It may appear different to you in the future, or it might look the same, or some slight tweaks. Here it says you can change the emotes. So this is what you can do with Better Discord. Have emotes, custom CSS, display modes, plugins, and custom themes. And the custom themes and the plugins is what we're trying to utilize here. Having cool emotes and custom CSS is also pretty cool. So we're going to go ahead and download it using this download button, and it's going to send us to a GitHub link here. And we're going to click on this one here. So installer releases can be found here. So I'm going to click on that, and then we're going to click on this one here, or you could have clicked on that at the start, and then click on this one again, Bandage BD, and then when you scroll down, it will say installation, and then all of the installers that you can use. So this is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So download the appropriate download for you. I'm on Windows, so I'm going to use the exe file, and then I'm going to save it to my preferred location. So I'm going to go to desktop, press save, and then Bandage BD will appear down the bottom. We can click on that one, and then you will get this sort of window. So it'll say install Bandage BD, repair it or uninstall it. I'm going to click the uninstall because I have already installed Bandage BD. So I'm going to remove it for you guys so that we can do a clean installation. So I'm going to click remove from stable, which is remove from the Discord app itself, and I'm going to click uninstall. So now my Discord is restarting, and here it is here. So you'll see now that I don't have any Bandaged BD, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of that, and I'm going to press exit, and I'm going to reopen Bandaged BD, right, and here it is, and now I'm going to install it, and then I'm going to click install to stable like I did with the removing Bandaged BD. Now if you don't have a string, a directory string of where your Discord is, you might want to click browse and then try and find it yourself, but mine is already found. I'm also going to click on the restart all Discord instances, so this is going to restart all of the Discord sort of open tab. We're going to click on the install. You can also donate to them as well if you feel humble, and then it's going to install. It's going to restart like it is here, and then it should reopen like this. And now mine has automatically reloaded again because I didn't delete the data of Bandage BD, but you can see now we have it again like this. And if we go to themes, I'll have all these themes. Now you won't have these because you haven't downloaded any. Now these are the ones that I had before I recorded the video, but assuming that yours looks like this and you want to download new themes, what we can do to achieve new themes or plugins is we can go back to our chosen web browser, and you can click out of all that, and you're going to go to Better Discord Library. Okay, so I'm going to click on that one, and then Better Discord Library Home is what we're going to click on. Click out of that, and here's where you can download all of your themes and your plugins. So Transulence is the one that I have here. Alright, you can also get a wide variety of different ones as well. Okay, like Slate, Clear Vision, and Radial Status. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to download Clear Vision, so I'm going to click on that, and this is what it'll look like. So you can see it's quite basic. It's got a nice background picture, and it's got a blue theme, and all these sort of info pages have a translucent background to them, and it looks pretty good. So we're going to click download, and then Clear Vision, like that. Now, if you also want to use the source code, you can download the source code. Alright, if you wanted to customize it yourself a little bit and implement the source code, okay? And you're going to get another Cloudflare human verification. So like I said before, you may get a human verification from Cloudflare. This is totally safe, totally normal. You're not downloading anything. And so it says click each image containing a car. So we're going to do that. That is a truck, a car, and that is all. We're going to click next, and then all of the cars again. Like that. Check. Once it has verified it, make sure the file name says what you've wanted to download, which is clearvision v6.theme. It is a cascading style sheet document, and then we're going to download it to our desktop and click save. And then it'll appear down here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our Discord, click on the user settings, scroll down to themes, and then you're going to click on open theme folder. And you're going to do that, and then this will appear. Now, this is my themes folder, and this is where I've downloaded all of mine. As you can see, I've got Frosted Glass, Midnight Theme, Translucence, and an Orion Deep Field. I'm going to open up another file explorer, like this. I'm going to navigate to my desktop, and here I have here Clear Vision. So I'm going to drag and drop like that, Clear Vision v6. And the great thing about this is you don't have to worry about restarting Discord. It'll already pop up right here without you having to restart Discord or restarting your computer. I'm going to click on that, and then it says Clear Vision v6 has been applied. You can you can check multiple of these. I would highly recommend you don't do this because they will overlap each other and the CSS is just all over the place. So I would not recommend doing that. So make sure you uncheck all of them and only check one of them. And now you can see here, this is what it looks like. So it's a pretty nice looking theme. The CSS is nice, and I quite like this one, but I'm going to go back to my themes, and I'm going to go onto the Translucence one, because this one, in my opinion, is the nicest, and I quite like this one. And that's pretty much how you get themes. Plugins work the exact same way as well. If you go back and you go to plugins, it works the exact same way. You download your chosen plugin, so you have a whole bunch of them, so you can get a bunch of cool plugins like Account Details Plus, Autoplay GIFs, Auto Start Rich Presents, Better Folders. Once you download that, similar to how you did to the themes, if you go back to Discord, user settings, plugins, all you have to do is open plugins folder and drag and drop like you did with the themes, and that's all there is to it. You can also get custom CSS, which I have not messed with yet. I know how to write CSS code, but I have not messed with this one yet, and I don't think I will, because I quite like the theme that it's given me. You can also get emotes as well, and then you also have settings as well if you want to tweak each individual part of Better BD, like the modules and the content manager, and it's all there for you for your convenience. So that's all, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy, go ahead and press that like button. Go in the comments. Constructive criticism is always recommended and always thankful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.